today I'm gonna review the Hdmi for the Samsung Galaxy S3. So this is the package that it comes in. Sorry for that. It says mobile phone for HD TV for Samsung Galaxy S3. It's pretty long. Let me take it out of the package so you guys can see. Yeah, so the cable that they use is like the cables that they use in the Beats by Dre. It's pretty tough. I bought it for $6. This is the thing that goes inside the TV, the HDMI thingy, and this charges. This you just plug it into like a USB thing. You plug it into the wall, and it's charging your phone at the same time. And this is the thing that goes into your phone. This, you put it in your charging port, and this it will work as a HDMI. Yeah, so it's pretty tough. It's pretty long. Let me see if I lay it out. So this is how. See, it starts from here, goes. It comes to that thing, and it keeps on going. It's like 9 feet. If you wanna read that, but you can't read it. Yeah, but this is in the package it comes in. Instructions. Yeah, I bought it on Amazon. These are the things. Check it out. Bye bye. Stay tuned for the shake weight reviews that I have right there. Okay, so bye.